how to fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Go to the settings menu in the game. Over here, navigate to the graphics settings and reduce the quality to 3 lines. The fewer lines you select, the fewer resources your phone will consume. Set reduction motion to off and adjust background transparency to 0. Step 2. Choose your region in the settings. For example, if you are in North America, select United States and choose a nearby state like Florida. If you are in Europe, select Germany or a region close to your location. This helps improve connection stability. Step 3. Avoid playing while your phone is charging, as charging can heat up your device and cause lag. If your phone becomes hot, it's best to let it cool down before resuming gameplay. Step 4. Clear your phone's memory. Clearing memory helps improve performance, reduce lag, and prevent overheating by freeing up temporary storage space and clearing the cache. Step 5. Close all background apps. Make sure to close apps you're not using to free up RAM and reduce CPU load. Step 6. Disable automatic sync and notifications. Turn off automatic app sync and notifications that may interrupt gameplay or consume additional resources. Step 7. Optimize power saving settings. Ensure that power saving mode is either disabled or optimized for gaming, as some settings may reduce performance to save battery. So that's how you can fix lag in Blox Fruits mobile. That's all for this video.